Hello everyone, Craven here. Welcome back to another upload. I hope you're all having a great start to the week. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of items. I know where they've come from. One is from a very well-known member in the community and one of the founders of Stackers Social, and that person is 365 Days of Silver, who has sent me this. And the other one is actually a pickup that I got from eBay that I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you on this video. Before we start, guys, I'm going to tell you a quick story. So today I sent all of the people that wanted poker chips and stickers, I sent them all out. As soon as I finished work, I go straight to the post office and I have 11 of these. Anyone that's got one of these, you will see a nice pink jiffy bag that looks like this. And funny story, so I put second class stickers on all of these, but when I went to post them, they were bigger than the size that supposedly fits or classifies as a small letter. So I needed to top each one up by 70p. Now, the funny bit here is normally they would have bigger size stickers to top them up, but the poor lady at the desk only had 10p stamps. So on every single one, and bear in mind, there was 11 and there was a queue of people behind me and this place was about to shut. I got there with 5 minutes to spare. She had to hand stick 77 stamps to these, uh, you know, jiffy bags. So when you receive them, for those that are, if you see a record amount of stamps on the front of your mail, that's the reason why. Secondly, guys, before we get going with this unboxing, I want to tell you something. If you have picked up or you are waiting to receive a Stacking with Craven poker chip, not sure that's focusing, but yeah, if you're going to receive one, I did get a QR code put on this. However, that QR code won't work. It did work when I first set this up, but unfortunately, what I didn't realize is that it would end up being a bad decision. Originally, I tried to use the QR code directly from YouTube itself. However, when I went to customize these poker chips, the company that I used said, can I try a different barcode because there was too much detail on the QR code with the YouTube channel logo in the middle. So I just got a generic barcode rather than that. And to do that, I used another website and it looked as if it was all free. So having printed 50 of these out and sent them out to people, it's become apparent to me, and it was actually Gary from the Coin Exchange, if you saw my last video, it was him that pointed out that the QR code, it seems to pick up that there's a code, but when you click on it, it doesn't take you anywhere. It says that the code is deactivated. So from what I can see, this company wants £20 from me per month to keep the QR codes active. And to be honest with you guys, despite it being a bit annoying, I would rather spend £20 per month on precious metals and adding to the stack. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Enough of that. Let's see what's in this one first. From the man himself, 365 Days of Silver, and that's who this first package is from. Thank you, mate. The business card. Happy to have one of those. Two business cards. I've got a sticker. This is Gordy's Gold and Silver, United Kingdom. That's a really cool sticker, actually. Thank you. Ah, what have we got here? Another Stackers Social Pokemon card. Now, as you can see in the backdrop here, I actually won one of these already from the Stackers Social 1K members event. So I think what we're going to have to do here is figure out a way that I can give one of these away, make it really fun, and give one of these away to someone who hasn't got one but would really like one. So thank you so much for that, 365. I really appreciate it. And just to say, I think these are so cool. You did a great job with these and it's really creative. So yeah, nice one. Here we go, a 365 sticker. Love that. Thank you, mate. When I eventually get like an official backdrop setup, as you can probably tell, I kind of just have everything in a pile on the side, and I move it around as and when, because I don't have a set place to film yet. I'm hoping to get that sorted in the next few months, but when the time comes, we will get something a bit better looking set up. But for now, this is what we're working with. So if anyone's sticker or channel chip or anything at all is not completely on show, I do apologize. I want to show off all this lovely stuff, but right now it's really difficult for me to fit it all in one frame. So yeah, there you go. Please forgive me. We've got another Stackers Social sticker. Really like those. I can't wait with these. When I get like a big backdrop, I'll be sticking all these stickers on in a nice way, and it's going to look great. So the more stickers, the merrier, because I really want to fill it up when I get that. So thank you, 365. And another Stackers Social poker chip. There we go. Here we are. Now this should belong in any precious metal stackers stack. A 365 poker chip. Thank you very much. Ah, we've got the pen, but we didn't have the Cardiff Gold poker chip. I'm really happy to have one of these. Thank you very much. What else is in here at the bottom? There's definitely something. Cardiff Gold. That's another little sticker as well with a link to the website. That's really great. Check out Dan Cardiff Gold. So, thank you for everything you've sent me, 365. I have sent you a package today in the mix of mail. You'll get a lovely pink Jiffy bag, and in there is a poker chip, a sticker, and a little something else as well. It's not much, but I wanted to put some sort of token of appreciation in there as well. And I've also included the same, so 2 of everything. And if you could pass them on to Cy the Soundman for me, I'd really appreciate that, mate. Thank you. Okay, so let's see what I picked up off eBay. Before I open this, okay, guess in the comments what you think this is. Now, if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I have started a side stack, and I've been getting involved in the pre-decimal British vintage coins. So if you think you know what it is, drop it in the comment now and find out in 5 seconds. I know this looks a bit messy. I had a bit of a fight with the bag. One sec. And it is another silver half crown, 925 silver. This one's a 1915. Yeah. Not sure if the camera's picking that up. Yeah, it's a better side for the lighting, but 1915. There is obvious wear and tear on this. It's just in, I guess good condition. I paid just over spot price for this. My average price so far, this is my 4th silver half crown, and I've paid around £13 average for each one. And I'm looking to collect more of these and a lot of the other British vintage coins as well. So yeah, really happy to be adding this to the stack. Let's just get the bag. I am waiting for a nice tube to put these in, but for now, it's going in there along with the other ones, and that can go back there. So on that note, guys, that's everything I wanted to share. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed, hit the like button. It really helps. Subscribe if you are new. I have lots of exciting ideas that I can't wait to share with you guys on this channel as we continue to grow. See you next time.